Stuck with an Instagram feed that won't refresh? Here's how to fix it fast and get back to scrolling new post. Check your internet connection. So, launch settings. Navigate to the option Wi Fi. Click on the Wi Fi network you are connected to. Forget the network. Restart your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi Fi, and cellular. Next, force close Instagram and reopen. Launch Instagram. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, close it, and again relaunch it. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next, update Instagram. So launch Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, restart your phone. Power it off, count to 10, power back on. Open IT and check if your feed snaps back to life. Likewise, log out and log in back. So navigate to settings and activity page, click on log out. Once you log out of your account, wait for a few minutes and then log in back. This might fix your issue. If none of these solutions work, report your problem. Click on the option Help, click on Report your problem, click on Report problem without checking, click on Don't include and continue. Here, briefly explain about your issue. Mention that your Instagram feed is not refreshing even though your internet connection is stable. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. So these are some fixes for Instagram feed not refreshing. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.